Okay, so
there
look
it
at
is,
this.
growing.
The Delacorte Theater has officially reopened after a massive 18-month-long renovation. She looks great. It's now hosting the hottest ticket in town. Did you know that?
Yes, I've heard rumors. Videos on social media show people arriving to Central Park and other ticket giveaway locations early in the morning in hopes of scoring tickets to the 12th night at Shakespeare in the Park. I stopped by Central Park ahead of the big. I feel for people that can't get into this particular performance, so I decided to give them a bit of Shakespeare myself.
That struts and frets its hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Nothing. This above all to thine own self be true, and it must follow as the night to the day. Thou canst not be false to any man.
You're right.
Men sometimes are masters of their own fates. The fault, dear Brutus, not in our stars, but in ourselves. We are the underlings. Oh my gosh, this is fabulous. Now we're doing Shakespearean while power walking. All the world is a stage, and all the men are merely players. Music be the food of love, then play on! The barber's chair that fits all buttocks. The pin buttock, the quartz buttock, the broad buttock, or any buttock. And then is heard no more. It is a tale told by an idiot, sound and fury, signifying nothing.
Nothing. Signifying nothing. It's my entire teenage years.
Your iambic pentameter is
you know what?
off the chain.
That was on my Tinder profile for a best whatever you said.
Lucky for us, we were about to get a look at the show happening inside the Delacorte. The 12th night boasts a star-studded lineup: Peter Dinklage, Lupita Nyong'o, Sandra Oh, Jesse Tyler Ferguson, and Khris Davis.
Khris is a Jersey boy right here. Camden, right? We said Camden?
Yeah.
He's making his Delacorte debut. Welcome to New York Living. Please welcome Khris Davis.
There he is! Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Good morning. So happy to be here.
Oh, good to have you. I'm sorry. He always acts up in front of company. It's just, move over a little. Can you, the two of you,
That's
you both want to
the best shoulder I've ever felt in my life.
It is back.
Good day, good morrow.
Good day, good morrow. Morrow day?
Is that what you say, morrow? Is that the thing?
That's tomorrow.
Oh,
That is-
really? Oh, never mind.
That's tomorrow.
Have a good tomorrow, basically. That's nice.
We don't want to talk about you. We just want to, how's that facelift? How's that theater? Because we can't get tickets.
The theater is fantastic.
Yeah?
Again, this is my debut at the Delacorte. So I wasn't there for the old space backstage, but apparently it's fantastic. I mean,
right?
it's got central air.
Stop.
No, I can't stop. It's so good.
Are you serious?
It's so good.
What?
Yeah, so you're outside and you're blazing. Your skin's coming off because the humidity is crazy. And then you walk into a freezer.
That's fantastic.
Backstage. It's fantastic. It's great.
that.
Yeah.
Holy.
Are you trained in the Shakespearean world? Were you, prior to this, were you trained in the Shakespearean world?
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Spent a lot of years doing classical theater in Philadelphia at Quintessence Theater Group in Mount Airy, PA.
Excuse you.
Yeah.
What drew you to it? Because it is such a specific type of
I have no idea what they're saying
acting
half the time.
and- Yeah.
Well, it didn't look like it.
No, I
in
don't
the
know what I
park.
said.
No, so what drew me to Shakespeare? I think just acting. I think Shakespeare is one of those things that every actor should try to do. It builds a certain type of muscle and a certain type of relationship to language and physicality. So it's nice to be able to do it again. I haven't done it in a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
TV and film, there's such subtleties with TV and film. Like you
Right.
raise an eyebrow, you're saying an entire page.
Right.
But you get on stage, especially Shakespeare, and it's big and it's
Correct.
You're grand. Do you have a preference to the subtle or the grand?
Well, it's funny. They both have very specific types of techniques. So the subtleties that people do when they're on film, they're not that easy to master.
Right.
You know, and what we do on stage, the bigness of it, the grandness of it, especially with the language, is also not that easy to master. So they both have a degree of difficulty and take a long time to pin down. So yeah, they're both equal in their own right.
Both equal. He is a master of his craft, is what he's here to say.
I believe it.
I
don't know about all that.
we do. Modernish take on 12th Night. We
Yeah.
have a picture, and it does not look like you're wearing the getup. It's over there somewhere.
Yeah.
The getup that you were running around in.
No.
In.
No, you didn't have the Elizabethan
puffy-
ones.
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
definitely a modern take on 12th Night, and what's so special about this particular production is so many people have formulated and crafted their own ideas of these characters that other people have done in the past. You know, for example, my Orsino, I didn't want this guy to just be laying on a daybed eating grapes, talking about love and just swooning. I wanted him to feel very active. I wanted him to feel like David Goggins meets what is his name? Nino Brown off of New Jack City.
Okay.
Yeah. So I wanted a blend of that. You know, I wanted him to feel
That's the first
really
New Jack
active.
City reference we've ever had on this show.
Yeah, well.
Thank you.
Yes,
you so much.
you're welcome.
Really appreciate
I'm bringing
that.
the spice.
Yeah.
He bringing
Like
the spice because he's from Camden, New Jersey.
Speaking of which, you ever been to the Donkey Place in Camden, New Jersey?
The Donkey Place?
Yeah, I was just looking up restaurants
No,
in Camden, New Jersey.
I haven't.
There's a place called the Donkey
my
Place.
dad's over there. He's never taken me.
You got to take him to the Donkey Place, Dad.
You know what
By
I
the
mean?
way, at the
You know.
top of the show, we spotlighted we shouted out your whole business.
Yeah, the
Karen?
whole business. Never took me to the Donkey Place. It's their
good lighting.
35th anniversary.
Their 35th.
Wait, hold on, time out. Can you put them by the food or something? The lighting is so bad. Can you come closer, friends? Come closer. This is we can't have
Yeah.
you celebrate your 35th anniversry in bad lighting.
Just get over here.
Come to the couch.
Just-
Come to the couch. Yeah.
Well-
If you want to talk though, you have to lean into my bosom because I have a microphone right here. So yeah. It has to be so incredible to see your boy on stage at. Let me take this off so I can make you guys.
35th anniversary. This one.
Yes,
Amazing.
yes, 35. And we've had an awesome time the entire time.
Yes,
and we're loving doing it, hanging out with my son for this 35th anniversary.
No. This is more fun. This is more fun.
Give him the stick, Mike.
Have you seen the show yet? Have you seen any of the?
Yes.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
It was amazing.
Absolutely
Yeah.
phenomenal.
Really?
And hilarious.
Did you
I
cry?
was going to ask that. Yeah. Good
I
question.
laughed so hard.
Were you
could
nervous?
cry. Not at all.
No.
He's absolutely amazing in everything that he does. Yes, he is. He makes us very proud.
I love that.
I think the only crying that we get is just to see him doing
Yes.
what he loves doing.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's the emotional part of it.
Did you encourage him to become an actor? Because if I told my mother I wanted to act, she would kill over.
Kick me out of the house. Yeah.
Yeah.
He'll tell you, no, I did not encourage him.
Benefits. Health benefits.
Yes,
A 401k.
that was it.
Get a real job.
Yeah.
And he decided to go for his dreams and look at what's happening.
Look at
Yeah.
what's happened. Yes,
Unbelievable.
it's amazing.
It truly is.
Take him to what place?
Donkey Place. The Donkey Place.
Yeah, you
Got
know
good
what?
reviews.
Okay, I'll say it again. You know, my son does great with his physical shape, so that's why I avoid him going.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is the excuse.
But I'm also vegan now, so it's yeah.
Are you
so-
really vegan?
Yes, I am vegan. Yeah.
You didn't feel like a vegan when I hugged you.
Yes, I am.
Those shoulders are not good. Those are boulders, not shoulders.
I work really hard at it.
You're looking
I
good,
do.
man.
I do.
Looking
Thank
good.
you.
Please give us tips. We appreciate it.
Chris's parents, thank you so much for joining us.
Happy anniversary.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
for having
Of
us.
course.
This was
Yes.
fantastic. I mean, we've peaked and it's only
I
Monday.
know, right?
You can see Khris and the entire cast of 12th Night and Shakespeare in the Park now through September 14th. Head over to the Delacorte Theater.